The name Australia is taken from the word Australis in Latin, which means south. Australia is also called as Commonwealth of Australia. Australia location is close to Indonesia, East Timor, and northern Papua New Guinea. This country has the smallest continents in the world and has parts of the Southern Ocean, Indian, and Pacific Islands. Australia's largest city is Sydney. And the capital of Australia is Canberra.
I want to talk about fact and figure at Australia. Population. A population of nearly 26 million in the city. Australia ranked number 50 in the list of countries. Capital city. Capital city of Australia is the city of Canberra, located northern of the capital, which is the highest mountain in the country. Canberra is located on the Monglondo River. People and language. Australia is a highly developed country with economic development in country. Australia was inhabited by the indigenous people. Australia has no official language, but English is the most commonly asked language. Climate. Australia has different climate zones consisting of Western, Southern, Queensland, South Wales, and Victoria. And the last is the climate in Australia is also different in each season. There are summer and dry seasons.
With its immeasurable mix of nature, culture, and laid-back coastal cools, therefore more to Australia than koala and kangaroos. The Sydney Opera House. Here is a world-class performing arts venue and iconic Australian landmark. Defines the Sydney Harbour in the Heart City. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a must-see Sydney attraction. Few sites are as instantly recognizable as the Sydney Harbour Bridge, the grand centerpiece of Sydney Harbour and one of Australia's most photographed landmarks. Next, go scuba diving in the Great Barrier Reef. If you prefer to stay dry, you can see the reef from underwater viewing stations and glass-bottom boat additions, sightseeing of the Whitsunday Islands, with its powder white silica sands, gleaming turquoise water, and fringe of lush rainforest. It is one of Australia's most photographed beaches. Here spot for swimming, snorkeling, and can sail constantly on charter boat and cruise. Subsequently, hire a car in Melbourne and journey along the stunning Great Ocean roads. Here's offers scenic surprises at every fork in the road. Here is one of the world's most famous driving routes. Dance excursion to Kakadu National Park with dramatic sandstone escarpments, ancient Aboriginal rocks art sites, and crocodile-filled billabongs. Here is Australia's largest national park. Here can explore the park's diverse ecosystem by car, air, boat, or on foot via the vast network of hiking trails. After that, the best scene of sunrise tour is Ayers Rocks in Uluru. Here is gigantic monolith of rust red rock looming over the desert plain of the Australia outback. After experiencing the tunnel, visitors can check out of a cafe, souvenir shop, and indigenous art galleries in Katajita Cultural Center. Finally, the imposing Three Sisters is an ancient rock formation located in the Blue Mountains in the town of Katoomba. The towering trio of stone has a magical dimension in the Aboriginal Dreamtime legend. The popular things to do here is hiking, abseiling, rock climbing, mountain biking, and horseback riding.
Fun fact about Australia. First, the Australian elf get more snow than the Swiss elf. While many people visit Australia for its wonderful beach and year-round sunshine, the Australian Alps, straddling New South Wales and Victoria are the place for ski exercise. Snow usually fall between June and September, which means Australia is the perfect place to get your skiing during the Northern Hemisphere summer. Second, the majority of Australians live on the coast. About 90% of the population live on the coast of Australia. This is because Perth, Sydney and Melbourne are the iconic place to visit with crowded centre and many beaches, from the sand of Bondi to the surf of Strait. Third, Australia is ranked as the 6th largest country in the world by size, being about 7,692 million square kilometres. Despite its massive size, the population of Australia is merely 22.6 million. Fourth, Tasmania has the cleanest air in the world. The island of Tasmania is the ideal spot to experience the greatest outdoor with air as clean as Antarctica. Around 1/3 of the state is National Park of World Heritage protected. It's a walker paradise with trail and walkway winding over the whole island, while the coastal path reveals impressive view over Wineglass Bay and Bay of Fire. Last fun fact about Australia, Fraser Island is the longest sand island in the world. The sandy shore of Fraser Island are a highlight of any trip to Queensland. Heavy Bay is a jumping off point for exploring the island, so hop on a boat and discover the delight of the island paradise, the clear blue water of Lake Mackenzie, surrounded by the white sand shore and the serenity of Champion Pool, where you can swim in shallow pool at the edge of the ocean.
Marketing and promotional strategies used in promotion, positions and branding the destinations. Tourism Australia will continue to create a global campaign that places Australia as the most exciting and memorable place, digital and online. Upgrade street planning and travel experience. Improve user-generated content and video consolidation across websites. Social. Australia's tourism social media platform is on the rise. Our social media group manages photo posts on the platform. The media program will focus on stimulating conversation. Public relations, broadcast, media hosting. Public relations, media hosting, and the Friends of Australia program will remain integral to marketing activity across all markets. Development of a model to republish and repurpose international media hosting program generate content across Tourism Australia's digital platform. Delivery of online documentaries and storytelling will continue. Print, outdoor and television. Television media buy will be undertaken in select markets only and will be supported by branded content initiative to support brand awareness. Print, in-store retail and outdoor event setting will be core to campaigns activity in tourism organizations, key distributors.
Tourism Australia promotes Australia's sustainability program by tactical campaign action. In 2017 and 2018, they intend to increase their efforts in this region with a stronger and broader emphasis on youth. They will collaborate with other states and the Australian government to improve their marketing efforts, continue to cooperate and coordinate on marketing strategies, consolidate business capital, share international customer research, and consolidate distribution activities, among other things. A push is seen in the China-Australia Year of Tourism, in which Australia collaborates with Chinese governments and business partners to maximize the benefits of their One Voice efforts. Tourist mission led by the Honorable was sent to Shanghai and Beijing in February 2017. The start of the year-long celebration was marked by Steven Siobo, MP, Minister of Trade, Tourism and Investment. Aquatic and Coastal. Standalone and collaborative campaigns with state and territory tourism organizations, airlines and key distribution partners to make it easier for customers to plan a holiday to Australia. Food and wine. Campaigns developed in collaboration with airlines, key distribution partners and state and territory tourism organizations. In 2017, we support the world's 50 Best Restaurants Festival. Youth. Dedicated global initiative focused on expanded tourism and spending by young travelers from around the world, including working holidaymakers.